So now we will enable another very powerful feature, which is sell on WhatsApp. So basically, user will be able to view the catalog on WhatsApp and will be able to place order from WhatsApp itself. So let's get started. So first we need to install an app which is Facebook and Instagram. Yeah, this is the app. So this will share all the products from your Shopify store to Facebook. It will keep syncing all the products, so we don't need to manually update the catalog. So we need to log in with our Facebook account, and then we need to select our business portfolio. Okay, keep it enhanced. Okay, so now it is connected. So it is syncing products, so it has synced 83 products, so it will keep syncing. So meanwhile, so we'll go to business.facebook.com. Settings, data source, catalogs. So see here, you would be able to see Shopify product catalog, and then now we need to attach this catalog to our phone number. So to do that, we need to open WhatsApp manager. So here WhatsApp manager is here. So business.facebook.com, what's latest WhatsApp manager, and here we need to choose our business. And then catalog, and choose a catalog. So here you will see that catalog. Now here we will connect catalog. So now our Shopify store is syncing all the products with Facebook, and catalog is created on Facebook, and then we have attached that catalog with our phone number. So now our phone number has that access to catalog. Okay, we'll enable this as well. It will show an icon here on your WhatsApp number. Okay, and now let's go to Updatrr. So here we need to make one change. So here we need to connect WhatsApp API account. So basically now we need to give access to that catalog. So we'll choose the existing one. Make sure to choose the phone number which we have already connected. Now here you can see it is asking to give permission to that catalog. So now continue. Finish. Great. So now our catalog is connected. Now let's test this catalog. Okay, let's open Updatrr on the phone, WhatsApp Updatrr. So here you will be able to see this icon on the top right corner. uh, this is a catalog icon. So now I'll click that icon, so it will show the catalog. Okay, so out of stock items are grayed out. So here this is item, I'll just add this item, view cart and place order. So now you can see we have placed the order on WhatsApp, but now nothing will happen here. So to automate this, we need to do one more step. So we need to go to WhatsApp automation, WhatsApp order. Now you can see there's one template. Okay, you can also create your own template. Let's do that. You can give any name. And then we need to add a button where we need to put a dynamic URL. And then we need to select complete order URL. Okay, so we'll submit this template. So now let's enable this template. This is still in pending state. We need to wait for a few minutes to get this approved. Yeah, now it is approved. So now we'll test again. Now we'll click on the icon. Let's purchase this thing now. Let's purchase 2 items. We got, so you can see the total amount is 3598. Now we have placed this order on WhatsApp, and now you will see to complete the purchase. So we'll click on complete purchase. So here Shopify checkout page is open, and we can see this is the product we added to quantity, and this is the amount. And now we can directly make a payment from here. And we are done.